First point, there is a triangle A, B, C. Opposite to A, it is small a. Opposite to B is small b. Opposite to C is small c. These are the three sides. Sum of the three sides, it is called the perimeter. What do you mean by perimeter? Start at a point, go along the boundaries and come back. This is B. I am going along the boundaries and coming back to the source. That is called the perimeter. Perimeter. If A and B and C are integers, positive integrals, A, B and C are positive integers or natural numbers, perimeter will also be an integer. Perimeter means either it can be an even number or it can be an odd number. What is given? How many triangles are there? Perimeter is given. How many distinct triangles can be formed with integral sides? Right? There is a concept. If a perimeter is given, number of triangles, without formula also I will tell you, number of triangles that can be formed. Craig Manuel's concept it is, if a perimeter is given, number of distinct triangles that can be formed, if it is an even value, it is a nearest integer function of p square by 48. If it is an odd number, it is p plus 3 whole square by 48. This box is not the greatest integer function or the least integer function. This box is the nearest integer function. This box value, it is nearest integer function. What do you mean by nearest integer function? 3.1, it is nearer to 3. 3.9, it is nearer to 4. 3.9, it is nearer to 4. The nearest integer function, 3.1. It is not the greatest integer or a least integer function. One is a formula based approach. Sum of these three sides is called the perimeter. Perimeter is start at a point, go through the boundary and come back to the starting point. This is the concept. Perimeter. What is perimeter given? Is it an even number or an odd number? Perimeter is given as 203. 203, it is an odd number. So one is, you have to use these formulae, p plus 3 whole square divided by 48. P plus 3 whole square divided by 48. What is perimeter given in the question? Perimeter given, it is 203. What it will give you? These concept will give you number of distinct triangles with integral sides. Number of distinct triangles with integral sides. But that is not what we require in the question. One side odd. That we will find out the total number of distinct triangles. 203 plus 3. 206 whole square divided by 48. So this will be 206 into 206 divided by 48. 203s are 224s are. 212s are 203s are. So it is 103 whole square. 103 whole square is given by 10609. So it is 10609 divided by 12. These number of distinct triangles. 12 8s are 96. 100. 12 8s are 96. 49. 4.40 something. Nearest integer function, it is 884. Totally, how many triangles can be formed with perimeter 203? Number of distinct triangles with integral sides and perimeter. Number of distinct triangles with perimeter 203 is given by 884. Totally 884 triangles are there, but we do not require total triangles. Please read the question. Question is, with one side odd number, total triangles are 884. Now if you see the question, perimeter it is 203. Perimeter it is 203. Perimeter is the sum of these sides. A plus B plus C it is 203. A plus B plus C it is 203. 203. Now forget about 203. What are all the cases that are possible? All the three can be even. All the three can be odd. Even plus even plus even. Odd plus odd plus odd. Even plus even plus odd. Odd plus odd plus even. Odd plus odd plus even. These are the cases. All the three can be even, all the three can be odd, 2 can be even, and 2 can be odd. Depending upon the right hand side, we have to eliminate the cases. Even plus even plus even. It is even. Right hand side should be an even number, but it is an odd number. Not possible. Odd plus odd even. Even plus even even. Not possible. That means this case not possible. First case not possible. Fourth case not possible. Fourth case not possible. Totally how many triangles are there? Total number of distinct triangles. Total number of distinct triangles. Total number of distinct triangles it is 884. With one side odd. One side odd means I require this case. That means if I find the total triangles with this case, total cases minus this case, I will get the answer. Odd number. Odd number is given by 2k1 minus 1, 2k2 minus 1, 2k3 minus 1, equivalent to k1, k2, k3. In minimum integral value it is 1. That is the reason I am taking minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Equivalent to 203. So this will be 2 into k1 plus k2 plus k3. Equivalent to 206. So here it is k1 plus k2 plus k3. It is 103. 103. K1 plus K2 plus K3. K3, 103. 103, it is an odd number. If it is an odd number, what will be the answer? P plus 3 whole square by 48. Nearest integer function. These 103 plus 3. 106 into 106 divided by 48. 250. 106 into 106. 53s are 224s are. 253s are 212s are. So it is 2809 divided by 12, which is 12 2s are 24. 40. 40 means 12 3s are 36. 49. 234.0, which is 234. Out of 884 triangles, there are 234 triangles where all the three sides are odd. Where all the three sides are odd. This case not possible, this case not possible. Out of total triangles, if I subtract this case, I will get the answer. So 884 minus 234. 884 minus 234. Answer is 650. Answer is 650 triangles are there. Answer is 650 triangles are there. This is one way to solve. But the problem with this method is you need to remember that formula. What is that formula? P square by 48 nearest integer function. P plus 3 whole square by 48 nearest integer function. One is when P is even and another is when P is odd. Another is when P is odd. So this is a formula based approach. Now let us see Anil Nair's approach. How I will solve this problem? I will go with the basic fundamentals and I will try to solve this problem using the properties of a triangle. Using the properties of a triangle. Step number 1. Step number 1. What is the first property of a triangle? Sum of two sides should be greater than third side. Sum of two sides. Sum of two sides is greater than third side. sum of two sides is greater than third side. This is the first property. So a plus b should be greater than c, b plus c should be greater than a, c plus a should be greater than b. A plus b is greater than c. A plus b plus c is greater than 2c. A plus b plus c, it is the perimeter. 203 is greater than 2c. 2c, it is less than 203. C is less than 101.5. C is less than 101.5. Right? So if C is an odd number, step number 2, one side it should be odd. If one side, if it is odd plus even, it is odd. So other two sides has to be even in this case. Odd, even, even. Odd, even, even. Sum of two sides is always greater than third side if it is an odd value. So maximum integral value it will take is, what is the maximum integer? Just less than 101.5, which is 101. If the side is an odd number, maximum integral value it will take is 101. First point, if it is clear. If it is an even number is 2k1, it is less than 101.5. k1 is less than 50.75. So if it is an even value, there are three sides. One is an odd number, other two are even number. If it is an odd number, maximum integral value it is 101. If it is an even number, maximum integral value it is 50. Maximum integral value it is 50. I hope it is clear. Odd, even, even. If it is an odd number, maximum it is 101. If it is an even number is of 2k1. 2k1 less than 101.5. k1 it is less than 50.75. Maximum integral value it is 50.